Welcome to Wolfnest, your trusted property management in Salt Lake City, Utah. Today, we're delving into the exciting world of student housing trends in this vibrant city. As Salt Lake City continues to grow and evolve, so do the preferences and needs of its dynamic student population. Join us as we explore the latest trends, popular neighborhoods, and key amenities that make student living in Salt Lake City truly exceptional. When it comes to popular neighborhoods for student renters, Sugar House emerges as a hip hub. Its eclectic atmosphere, proximity to higher education institutions, and a mix of vintage shops and trendy cafes make it a favorite among students seeking a vibrant and walkable community. Downtown Salt Lake City has also undergone a renaissance, attracting students who appreciate the convenience of urban living, cultural attractions, employment opportunities, and easy access to public transportation make downtown an ideal spot for those attending nearby universities and colleges. For students attending the University of Utah, Eccles and Foothill are prime locations. These areas provide a sense of campus community along with amenities such as parks, recreational facilities, and student-friendly hangouts. Now, let's talk about key amenities that attract student renters. In an era where connectivity is paramount, properties equipped with high-speed internet and tech-savvy infrastructure stand out. Offering these amenities can set your property apart from the competition. Flexible lease options are crucial in recognizing the transient nature of student life. Landlords can attract tenants by offering options such as short-term leases and summer subletting, making a property more enticing to students. Creating communal spaces within a property, such as study lounges and social areas, fosters a sense of community among student residents. This aligns with the desire for collaborative living and enhances the overall student living experience. In conclusion, understanding the evolving landscape of student housing in Salt Lake City is essential for landlords and property owners. Whether it's choosing the right neighborhood or providing amenities that resonate with students, staying ahead of the trends is key. As you navigate the diverse student housing market in Salt Lake City, consider partnering with a reliable property management company like Wolfnest. Our experience in Utah's property management landscape allows us to offer tailored solutions for property owners, ensuring a seamless experience for both landlords and tenants. Explore the possibilities with Wolfnest Property Management for a hassle-free approach to student housing in Salt Lake City, Utah. Trust us to make your investment in student housing a success.